Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-select custom field in Copper CRM. Okay, you have two ways to do it. Okay, so first up, if you're currently on a record, for example, under people, leads, companies, right here, just click on one record. Okay, then go ahead and click on add new field right here. And then go ahead and select the record type or field type. Scroll down and find multi-select drop down right here. And now you can go ahead and add in a name for this specific field. For example, multi-select sample, option 1, maybe 1, 2. And if you want to add this one to all of your pipeline records, you can go ahead and select this option. Then once I hit on save. All right. Now we'll go ahead and check it out like so. We have the multi-select sample in here. Now let's go ahead and click on a cell. So you can see you can go ahead and select 1 or 2. Okay. Now, another way to do it is by going to your workspace settings, like so, and then go ahead over to customize right here, manage fields on records, and just click on create a field. Okay, just make sure that you select the correct record or record type. In your case, if you have the paid plan, you'll be able to see all leads right here. Okay, create, and you got the same window. All right, select multi-select drop down, add in a name, add in your options, hit on save. Okay, you can go ahead and add in some more options as well. And there you have it. That is basically how you create multi-select custom fields here in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.